How should I come on you today? How should I skirt? Ayo, pause. Savvy, Reese, over. Got makeup on it. Wonder whose makeup it is.
That's not mine. That one.
I didn't even say nothing. Skirt. Okay. Should I come crazy like that? Should I come crazy like this one? Ooh. Okay. Okay. Let's get real right. Boom. A.M.BEach. A.M.BEach is super duper lit. You gonna see what's up? This is a breakfast party. It's all inclusive, right? That means all inclusive. Free liquor, free food. Skirt. Okay, not free. We paid money for these tickets.
Jimmy, tell them.
Thank you. Morning. How are you? All right, just a second.
Like they inject it straight in my blood. Whoa, whoa, yo. Calypso is who stop me from reaching my ultimate goal. Cause I get hooked on it like it's drugs. Yeah, and now all I want in life is soca. It's like they want to pay me with this thing they call soca. Look what it do super when it hit him. Harder than soca start to kill it.
You know what's that? That's a tattoo on top of tattoo. Let them know. Where's that? Where's that? Yeah. That's a tattoo on top of tattoo. Okay. Okay, more tattoos. Oh, more tattoos. So, we came into this party this party started at 3 o'clock a.m., right? The sun is coming up. It's about to be extra lit. I don't even want to drink anymore. I'm a little tired. Henny, can I get a Henny and Red Bull, please?
I say na 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 na, I say na 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 na, say na 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 na, I say na 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 na, I say na na na, I say na 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 na, I say na na na, I say na 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 na. I never had it easy for the brands and the bling and the expensive thing. Oh, I never had the money, never had nice living. And mama say, oh, you could have it all. Just work hard for yours. I say, mama, you know I'll work hard for sure. Now Jaja bless me with the opportunity to fly country to country. Now I could drink champagne when I thirst. Now I could see only thing I never see. They say this how I youth man so rock. But I thank the father and the family. Now no bad mind boy they can stop me. On every show I smiling cause trust me. Life is so lovely, whoa. And I'm far from finished, whoa. And I can't believe it, no. See I'm far from finished, whoa. Love the life that I live in.
Look at my beautiful that's Chanel,
Life good, life good. I'm happy, I'm happy. Life good, life good. Life good, life good, life good. I good, I good, I good. Yeah, I want to remember my life is a party. Every day, every day, every day, every day. Celebrate like a birthday. This life means so much to me. I'm 1, 2, 3. I have my friends here with me. All of we blessed and we real happy, so we don't worry. Cause
A.M.BEach, A.M.BEach. Just no, not that bad, not that bad. And we're only 2 parties in. We got like 7 more to go. We didn't go to Trini Carnival yet. It's too late. I need her booty on my vlog.
and I will never let you down.
That's a big deal. Don't want nobody. Stop me. Okay. Okay.
you and me, they could never come between we. So we don't worry, cause when we trust. We done pay the price. Want to do what we feel like. With we life, live we life. We done pay the price. So I come.
That right here, that's my brother. Like, we came from the same vagina.
Happy, cause I'm jumping up with all of you. Getting up with all of you. Having a time with all of you. And I will never let you down, no. Life good, life good. Life good, life good, life good. Life good, life good, life good. I'm happy, I'm happy. Life good, life good. Life good, life good, life good. I good, I good, I good. Yeah, I want to remember all of you. Jumping up there with all of you. Setting up there with all of you. I'm happy, happy, happy. Cause I'm jumping up with all of you. Setting up there with all of you. Having a time with all of you. And I will never let you down. Cause when we trusting in one thing, we making a statement, which is we need to be free. Cause when we trusting in one thing, we making a statement, which is we need to be free. Let we live, we life. Live, we life. We done pay the price. Want to do what we feel like. With we life. Live, we life. We done pay the price. So I'm coming out on the road, stay with all of you. Jumping up there with all of you. Cutting up there with all of you. I'm happy, happy, happy. Cause I'm jumping up with all of you. Cutting up there with all of you. Having a time with all.
One time to my nigga Gasto. Oh! This day vibe in the building. Day vibe. This right here, this is a real day vibe.
It's another episode when we out on the road. This is what we love to celebrate, to celebrate. This is not Hollywood, no. We don't come out a buzz. We just party with no restraint. From pillar to post, I just party the most. I behave in the worst. My conduct is so gross, 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 gross. From the time that I wake, I ready to bust the.
What I'm trying to show y'all is a the reason why I am the way I am, I grew up in Trini culture, very chill, very vibey, drinks every now and then. It's fucking lit. It's fucking lit.
Right now let me start the drinking, start the open, start the lightning. Right now let me start the drinking, start the open, start the betting. Right now let me start it. Right now let me start it. This is our destiny. Yes, it belongs to we. We making history. We celebrate, we celebrate. Just doing our duties, and nothing can stop it. We just party in sun or rain.
It's lit. It's lit. Trini, that was absolutely crazy. Alright. Honestly, first thing I'm doing, I'm skipping the line because we don't do lines out here.
Oh, you don't do lines? You don't do lines. Alright.
So
let's skip the line. Tell me how
skip the line.
Yeah, I live that.
We get in the costume.
Right,
and it's lit.
If you want to skip a line.
How you doing? So I'm on YouTube, so I like to.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Chill that experience.
Yes. So here is the monies.
Wow, that's
a flashlight. Oh. Okay.
Okay, so this is actually the payment. This is my friend here.
Okay.
Okay.
Dave
so
King.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is to show that it's paid for.
That sounds good. Thank you so much.
You're lucky though.
Very. Thank you. It's lit. Had to get her face on this camera because if she tried to play me, I'm not even playing with her like that. I got it. Skirt. Okay. Getting a party ticket is like one of the hardest things to do in Trinidad. Facts. Because these parties sell out like in hours.
This is Day Vibe on another level. This is actually like inspiration for Day Vibe. So right now, Nakaya is organizing a for our Saturday party, which is A.M.BUSH. It's a paint party, Juve type of things. You cannot come to Trinidad and not do like a Juve type vibe party. Facts. Trust me, dogs. Yes. Thing set up. Let me see that.
Look, they give us peanuts, peanuts, peanuts. Look at macaroni and cheese and peanuts.
Macaroni and cheese and peanuts is super lit. They're giving you food, they're giving you paint, they gave us a little
Tissue. Chocolate.
Kotex.
Oh, that's very nice.
When I play on Carnival Day Monday.
He said even his cousin asked for it.
Ask for what?
This.
That's crazy.
He said literally you wrote me like 2 seconds.
I love the way that you just like survive and
No idea.